Hello, teacher. Colombia is a beautiful country rich in many things, such as geographical beauty, diversity of ecosystem, and culture. Country have huge problems, as so does our country, such as corruption, vandalism, poor economic status, and neglect. On the other hand, the bad decision that the government have made put the country at risk. As a result, they push people to carry out acts of vandalism in search of daily food and even economic sustenance. It should be clarified that the facts don't justify it, but these are according to statistics. Also, easy money and other things that are simply influenced by media and entertainment. Those series, for example, based on drug dealing, the series teaches young people to find easy money for emotional, individual progress and work. But the consequences are murder, robbery, drug addiction, and even suicide. In addition, insecurity is one of the things that impresses me because I can leave the house late at night and things happen all the time, even during the day. Also, the little faith that we can have in public authority, knowing case where they misuse their power and take advantage of people in one way or another. All in all, there are many things that our country needs to begin to make a change, and it will reduce cruelty and violence in our daily life. Thank you.